Hi, this is Jally. Welcome to Jally Talk. It's been a while that I didn't talk further about laser cleaning technologies, but today I want to use this video try to tell the new beginners or the new fish who want to start laser cleaning experience or journey with them, because we have such a big portfolio. We have many models of pulse lasers and CW lasers. So how to choose the most suitable laser cleaner for your work? So the first we have to talk about, again, the difference between pulse lasers and CW lasers. So the working theory is different. Pulse means that the laser gives out like a bullet, a short pulse, like 500 watt pulse laser, but the peak power can be few kilowatts. So it means that it has very few heat effection. When the material absorbs the pulse laser, it will be vaporized, or the layers that you want to take off will be vaporized very soon. So you don't hurt the base material, and the base material doesn't heating up. You can use a temperature meter to do that. For CW lasers, because it's a continuous wave, which means in every second, this is in nanoseconds, the laser emits, and this is in seconds, so means that it's an average 2 kilowatt laser working on the surface. So after this cleaning, almost the base material will heating up, become hot, because you use the laser to work on the material. So first you have to know, pulse laser for precision laser cleaning, never or don't hurt the base material. CW laser for big space rust removal laser cleaning, and the base material normally heating up. We choose pulse lasers because pulse laser is a real precision laser cleaner. You see, we have these four, and this one also are pulse lasers. How to choose them? First, I want to introduce this one is a backpack, which means that you go some high places that or outdoors. You don't have the electricity convenient power in, or you need to pack it to be really portable. And it has a battery here which can last a few hours for cleaning. If full power, maybe 1 hour, something like that. So this is a backpack. This is a trolley type with this, so you can like a trolley type. And we have hooks in two sides. You can also load it to for tall buildings, outdoors cleaning. And these are cabinets type. This backpack can up to 300 watts. These can up to 500 watts. And this is up to 300 watts. And this is our bestseller GT500. So these are according to how you plan to use the machine, the portable convenience. We also have the water cooling. Those are all air cooling. And this one you need for 1 kilowatt pulse, 2 kilowatt pulse, you need to put the chillers inside. In some occasions that in shipyard or big spaces, and you need high power pulse laser to clean. This one is also a choice. One of our family products, this one is a CW 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatts. It's mostly for rust removal, paint removal, texturing. And this one is a water cooling type, high power pulse laser, 1 kilowatt, 1.5, 2 kilowatt, mainly for shipyard, very high density laser cleaning ability, very strong laser cleaning ability needed. And also you have good budget, because now the price is still very high. And this air cooling CW, mainly for that you want to move it, you want a faster cleaning on rust or floors, and you also want the portability. And this is a backpack you need to bring outdoors, high buildings, and you want to move it with the human body. And this one is the trolley type, also for the portable, being portable to many scenarios. And these two are currently the best seller in our whole product portfolio, especially the GT500 in this year, because the price of this machine is going down, and the cleaning ability is very strong, and because it's 500 watts, is the maximum output power of house with air cooling. So this one is a must-have for list cleaning service provider. Okay, that's all for today, and we also made a data sheet of all of our models with the specifications and applications, kind of helping you how to choose the most suitable laser cleaner model for you. And we also welcome if you can write email to me, so we will send this data model choosing sheet for you, and you can also leave your comments about what you plan to do with the machine, what's your applications, and then we can send you our suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you next time.